first day of my Thanksgiving break. So we're doing puppy yoga in Austin, and then we're driving to McAllen with my brother and his roommate later today. So welcome to my vlog. Let's go to puppy yoga.
Puppies? Uy. Lucy, son the babies, mamá. Son the babies.
Lucy is a recent mommy. She had babies like 4 weeks ago. Lucy! Lucy! Ven. Lucia. Lucy. I brought her some Christmas toys. Look at her. Hi, Pushita. Hi, baby. Good morning. Today is Saturday, and we're officially in McAllen, and now we're gonna go get tacos with Robert. I haven't seen my boyfriend in like 2.5 weeks, so let's go do that. You're recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys! We're at Tacos de Canasta. Don't move me, just leave it still. And then click this button in the corner.
It's really fancy.
I'm reunited with my boyfriend, Roberto.
I got 6.
What did you get?
I got tacos de chicharrón.
Oh, he still pees like a baby.
Baby.
Yeah, like he doesn't raise his leg yet.
They don't raise their legs.
Yeah, they do when they grow up.
Hell no.
What do you mean, hell no?
This
Hell
puppy is
yes.
6 months.
I promise you. Rosita. Esta de amargosita. These are the puppies. This is Güero. And this is Penny. What are you doing, Lucy? going to watch Wicked 2.
Look what I'm wearing.
My hat doesn't fit.
I'm wearing the green.
Good, I'm wearing.
What? I just like it. Are the condiments?
Hey, what's up?
House. If you can't see my mirror, then I can't see you.
Chili's. Oh, Chili's. Hi, guys. We just went to see Wicked, and now we're at Chili's, and we ordered the Wicked Margs. I got the pink one, Robert got the green one, and we're gonna get a triple dipper, so stay tuned for that. We work in tandem.
I'm about to get wicked.
Okay, we got the Wicked
That's
Margs.
like seltzer in there. It's like a soda.
Yeah, it's sparkling, but like in a good way.
Last time it wasn't sparkling.
Oh my god, that's so cheesy. Okay, my turn. This one looks fat. With ranch though. Wait, get a video of me for my turn. Thank you. We're working from home all week, but we're working. I wanted to tell you guys what I do for work because I feel like I've never talked about this on social media. So I actually run socials for Daily Stoic and Ryan Holiday, a New York Times bestselling author, podcaster, social media personality, I guess. And I do all social media, Instagram, TikTok, a little bit of YouTube, for accounts with over 3 million followers. And it's the best ever. I'm gonna do my hair and makeup now because I'm gonna go have dinner with my boyfriend and his family. I was gonna say in-laws, but they're not my in-laws yet. I'm gonna do my hair with this tool. I got it last week and it's so nice. Let me show you a few curls. Basically, I split my hair in half. And let's just start in the back. Some strand in the back. You grab your strand, you put it in the middle, you just let it hang, and it does it for you. I went to have coffee with my friend Victoria, and now I'm working, and I might be signing with an agency. Alani. Good morning. It is Thanksgiving Eve, I guess, and I'm trying a new workout studio. I have ClassPass, and not a lot of studios in the Valley use ClassPass, but this one does. It's called Roda Cycle Studio, and I'm trying their Pilates sculpt class. So, let's see what we get into. Okay, I just finished that Pilates class. That shit was not Pilates. Like, not a single Pilates movement. I hate when people promote a class as Pilates and it's not. It was basically a mix of whatever she wanted to do. Not even like a specific part of your body. So we did like a squishy ball, and then we did lunges, and then we did burpees, and then I don't know, arms, like Pilates my ass. Sorry. The weather is so nice right now, so I am finishing up some work so I don't have to work that much this weekend. Okay, I've been working so much today, and I was trying to get all my work done for tomorrow and try to get some done for Friday, but it is 5 p.m. and you know what that means. Slam laptop shut. I'm actually going to pick up some tiramisu desserts from my friend who's a chef. So it's a coffee and a matcha tiramisu that I'm really excited to try. So let's go. Okay, got the goods. Ooh. Okay, this is a matcha tiramisu. This looks so good. I can't believe it. This looks adorable. And then this is the coffee tiramisu. Also looks amazing. Now we're gonna do a taste test soon. Trying the matcha tiramisu. This is so good. So good. Really recommend. And now we're gonna try the coffee one. This is the coffee one. It looks like red velvet. Same spoon, who cares? They're mine. Spoon. Spoon. That's really good. I think I like the coffee better. Already know that I am at HEB day of Thanksgiving because I'm making a mostachon and I have nothing of what I need. So let's go to HEB. Getting ready to go to a little watch party for the Aggies, of course, and Gig'em.
Thank you.
I just got home from McAllen. I'm in Austin now. I didn't end up recording anymore last night because the Aggies lost. And it was a sad day, but we're in the playoffs and Texas is not. Or I can't say that yet, but hopefully they're not. I'm back in Austin. Got some food. Taco P. I'm gonna shower, watch some TV, and go to sleep. Because I drove 5 hours and I'm exhausted. It is with great pleasure to announce that Taco Palenque is now open in Austin. I know this is their second location, but this one is closer to me than the other one. So, you know I had to go. I got some totopos chips. I literally said no salsas and they gave me salsas, but it's okay. I don't know what this is. It might be frijoles. Jesus. Fat ass taco. Guac. I did not order guac. But yeah, I'm excited, happy, and looking forward to it. Good morning. It is Sunday and I have to get my life together. I have to unpack a little bit. I already put a lot of stuff away, but this is just like my shoes and stuff. And then I have to do laundry, and then we're gonna go get coffee because I have no groceries. And it currently says it's like 42 degrees, but the feel like is 32. So let's get to work. This is what I'm wearing. It's like super cold outside. This is the fit. Hi vlog. I went to do some work at a coffee shop, Palomino, in their Mueller location. And let me just say, it is freezing outside. I went to HEB and this guy was like, ooh, because he saw my sweatshirt. And I was like, yeah, I know. And he like started asking me about the game and whatever. And then he was like, did you go to A&M? And I said, yes. Not like half your fan base. I did not say that, but that's what I thought. And he was like, well, at least y'all got 11 wins. And you know what? That makes me very happy. So I will proudly continue to wear this in Austin. But anyways, let's do a grocery haul. This is heavy. Grocery haul. I got some chicken. Got some sushi. This is going to be my dinner later. And if you haven't tried these from HEB, you're truly missing out. They're so good. I got some blueberries, because why not? I had some blueberries over the last few days, and I was like, damn, I should be eating more berries. They're so good. When they're good. I got this bloom drink. I've never had it. I'm gonna try it. I got this jalapeno sauce. Also never had it. Want to try it with my tacos later. Heavy cream. This was just me being antojada. Like, I had no business buying this, but I saw it and I was like, I need a piece of that. So that's why I got it. And then I got some butter because I don't have any more. Some Greek yogurt. Almond milk. Oh, for coffee, some pasta to make later this week, and some chorizo to make breakfast right now. So that's my little haul. Now let's make some huevo con chorizo. I'm not used to this weather. It is too cold for me. But I just got out of church and it was great service, and now I'm going to Marshall's. And I've never been to this Marshall's. So let's see what we find.